Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Blender. We'll dive straight into setting up your environment for a smooth workflow. First, ensure you have the latest versions of both Blender and Roblox Studio installed. Next, consider installing the Roblox Studio Tools Blender add-on, which streamlines the export process significantly. This integration allows for far more complex and detailed assets than Roblox Studio alone, opening up a world of creative possibilities for your games. We'll cover everything from initial setup to final optimization, ensuring your models look fantastic and perform efficiently. When modeling in Blender for Roblox, precision is key. Aim for an optimized polygon count. For instance, a detailed character might have around 10,000 triangles, while a simple prop could be under 1,000. Always model to a consistent scale. A common practice is to set one Blender unit equal to one Roblox stud, ensuring your creations appear correctly sized in-game. Before exporting, remember to apply all transformations like scale and rotation, and ensure your mesh has clean, non-overlapping geometry. This meticulous preparation prevents many common import errors and ensures your assets are game-ready. Exporting your meticulously crafted models from Blender to Roblox Studio is a straightforward process. Select your model in Blender and choose File, then Export and finally FBX. In the export options, make sure to select selected objects and apply modifiers to ensure everything exports correctly. Once in Roblox Studio, open the Asset Manager, click Bulk Import, and select your FBX file. If you encounter issues like incorrect scaling, double-check your Blender unit settings and export scale. Missing textures often indicate a problem with material setup or file paths during export. After importing, the next step is to bring your models to life with textures and materials directly within Roblox Studio. You can apply various materials from the built-in library or upload custom textures. For advanced visual effects, explore the material service to create unique looks. To ensure optimal game performance, always optimize your models. Adjust render fidelity to automatic or performance for distant objects, and set collision fidelity to box or hull for simpler collision detection. Efficient asset management, like grouping similar objects and using instancing, further enhances performance and keeps your workspace tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.